Question number 1. Choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. Blank. I'm learning how to use pronouns correctly. Options are A. You, B. He, C. I. D. She. The correct answer is I. Question number 2. Select the correct pronoun. Blank. Are reading this question carefully. Options are A. He, B. She, C. You, D. I. The correct answer is you. Question number 3. Choose the correct pronoun. Blank is playing outside right now. Options are A. I. B. You, C. He, D. We. The correct answer is he. Question number 4. Fill in the blank with the correct pronoun. Blank is wearing a blue dress. Options are A. He, B. She, C. I. D. You. The correct answer is she. Question number 5. Identify the correct pronoun. Blank. I'm ready to start the test. Options are A. You, B. He, C. She, D. I. The correct answer is I. Question number 6. Choose the correct option. Blank should follow the instructions carefully. Options are A. He, B. You, C. She, D. I. The correct answer is you. Question number 7. Select the correct pronoun. Blank is completing the assignment on time. Options are A. I. B. You, C. He, D. They. The correct answer is he. Question number 8. Fill in the blank. Blank enjoys reading books in free time. Options are A. She, B. You, C. I. D. We. The correct answer is she. Question number 9. Choose the correct pronoun. Blank. I'm confident about my answers. Options are A. He, B. She, C. You, D. I. The correct answer is I. Question number 10. Identify the correct pronoun. Blank are doing a great job on this quiz. Options are A. He, B. She, C. You, D. I. The correct answer is you.